If you want to turn your expertise into a thriving online business, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to create and sell an online course using WordPress, WooCommerce, and a learning management plugin. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with everything you need to launch your own online academy and start earning from your knowledge. Alright, let's dive in. The first thing you need are the essential plugins that will make your site work like a true e-learning platform. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, then Add New and type in WooCommerce. You want to install and activate WooCommerce because this is what gives your site shopping cart and checkout features. It's the backbone of the selling process. Without WooCommerce, there's no way for students to actually purchase your courses, so take your time here. The process usually takes just a minute or two, and WordPress will prompt you once it's ready. Next, you need an LMS plugin, which stands for Learning Management System. This is where the magic of course creation happens. Popular options include Sensei LMS, Masterio, Tutor LMS, and LifterLMS. You can pick the one that fits your style and needs. They all follow a similar install process. Click Add New again under Plugins, search for your chosen LMS plugin, install, then activate. Think of the LMS as your course building toolbox. It's how you'll organize lessons, quizzes, and track student progress. Now here, where WooCommerce and your LMS join forces. To actually sell courses, you need to make sure your LMS plugin is set to use WooCommerce as its e-commerce engine. This tells your site to handle course enrollments as real WooCommerce products. Most LMS plugins have a simple switch for this. For example, in Tutor LMS, just go to the Monetization tab under Settings and select WooCommerce. This step connects everything behind the scenes, so students who buy your course through the WooCommerce checkout will be instantly enrolled in your LMS. Don't worry if it sounds technical, the setup wizards usually walk you through this part very clearly. With the groundwork done, it's time to build your course content. In your LMS, go to the Courses section and click Add New. You'll notice the editor feels a lot like making a blog post in WordPress. That's intentional. It means you can add text, images, and even videos with little effort. Start by laying out the main structure of your course. Under your new course, add lessons, sections, and quizzes. Most modern LMS plugins let you drag and drop lessons or reuse quiz questions, making it easy to organize. Try to think of your course as a journey. Breaking topics into smaller lessons helps students feel less overwhelmed and keeps them motivated. Now let's make your course purchasable. In your LMS course editor, look for an Add Product section or hop over to WooCommerce Products and add a new product that represents your course. Here, where you set your price, whether you're launching with a discount or sticking with your regular rate, just remember, the price you set here is what visitors will see in your store. Once you're happy, hit Publish. Your course now officially appears as a product in your online shop, ready for customers. Before you launch, set up your payment gateways. In WooCommerce settings, you can choose convenient options for your students like PayPal or Stripe. This ensures your payments go smoothly, whether your learners are local or international. Once configured, customers can buy your course like any other online product, and thanks to the LMS and WooCommerce integration, they're instantly enrolled. It's a seamless experience for both you and your students. Finally, don't forget the importance of marketing. Use SEO techniques to help people find your course and promote your offerings through social media or email newsletters. Building a community is the key to long-term success. And that's it. If you followed along, you're well on your way to running your own e-learning business. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your questions or progress in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides just like this. Good luck with your course launch.